So one of the other thing, guys, this one, this here. See, this one's here. This is a solenoid valve. I just the timing. And a lot of time, you guys, it's not just for on this one. I just take it apart. So I just did this one. So wherever a lot of time when it's, the timing code this came up, you guys just change this solenoid valve and hope it's fucking everything's fixed it. But most of the time, not. Just temporary, probably just a couple days, and after the code came back, and you take it off, and over there, see, up, yeah, over there. There's have a filter that came out with solenoid, but it's a lot of people don't know, realize on this hole have the other, what is the fucking line? Yeah. Let's see, better down? No. Yeah, there. So over there have another filter. You cannot take it off just when you pull it, take off this plug. It's a Elon 6 or something. Yeah, probably 6. 6. I need to be clean at that one too. But I just tell you, I just recommend I always do oil change on time. Oil change, because you find here the dirt, or here find the dirt, you really fucked the old engine inside this freaking dirt. So it's everything coming fucked up. Go to the lifters, go to the camshaft, and you see before. So guys, when you do this, take off the parts. Don't forget on this one too, and clean it. So, see? There is another filter down. Oops. See? So just clean it, that one too. Thanks, guys. I do just only with same thing like last week with the F-150. Always. Let's go do that. Let's go do that. Let's go do that. Smoking. 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 There's one. There's another one. I make a joke. Oops, load. So I make a joke on the last video when I did the F-150. You remember? Which one? Which one? So, right now, I explain to you guys. You see this one? Have a right, have left. The both of them. So actually, it doesn't matter. The right, let's I show you. So, here is the engine, here is the car. See? So the right, it's basically here. I just show you. Have one mark, the right, other mark, with there, L means left. So the right one, this came on the passenger side. If you put it on the left side, it's coming on the driver's side. Here. This is which one? Which one? Watching YouTube, man. Smoke break. And also we have a crankshaft wheel. So this point, the marks, it don't have actually nothing. The Ford have a special tool, but basically you don't need to. So the marks, it's like this point, you cannot fuck up because the other side don't have a point. So on this point need to be on 6 o'clock. So but basically this one, it stays on approximately 11 o'clock. But this one, it's very simple. The Ford didn't make too much difficult. It's not like a BMW or some bullshit. This one is very freaking simple. So, don't forget, the point, it's on 6 o'clock, approximately 6 o'clock. Because on timing, have the other marks more. So right now, here is a chain smoker, motherfucker. So, see that I have marks on a chain. See here I have 2 correct, and here I have 1. So it's very simple. The one is came on a point, the crankshaft, and this one is came over here. The marks is coming in the middle. I show you. Just give me a second. So like this, I put it on a chain, and see, this is the middle one here. Okay, and of course, if I take it off this one, and I just want to help you because we never know. There's a lot of people share on everywhere, but here is the right one, the same thing. Of course. Oh shit, where is here? Yeah, I just put it on. So see, on the right, it's not in the middle. See? Easy. Easy. I don't know which one to you, but I know a lot of people wants to do by self, so okay, why not? So I help you. Okay. I don't care. I'm not jealous. So the bottom one. Oh, the bottom one. I just show you because this too deep. Okay. Oh, fucking wires here. Let's say that. Who see? Everybody see? No, I don't. Uh-oh. This is fuck up, see? Sneeze. One more. Oh yeah. Yeah. How this look like now? See? That's it. It's very simple. I'll show you how it look like when you put together everything. So actually I don't do nothing, just tied a little bit more. So I just turn it back a little bit more. There we go. So see, there is the left is the driver's side. To the bottom one, it's a little bit tighter, and this is the loser side. And there, let's go down. See? 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 Comprende? Comprende? And do the other side of the same shit. So, you see? This one. All night. So, these are the tensioners. These are hydraulic tensioners. So see, the right, of course, it's not for you, the right. It's for that one. Right, right. Here is a L means left. Left means left. Okay? So don't mess up. That's it. Okay, guys? It's very simple, very easy. You see on the bottom side, I just told you before. I just show you. So right now, the other one, the same thing over there. And you can mess up. Right now, this is moving free. This one is a little bit more tight. So this is straight. When I put it in the tensioner there, I will tighten a little bit more. It's a bit better. Other side, it's very good. That's why my screwdriver is hooked there. Because on that side, so the passenger side, the camshaft, it's the ridiculous position. So I always want to jump back. So that's why you need to save a little bit more. Okay? So you cannot do wrong if you are not the fool of idiot. So easy. Take a smoke break. I'm done.